Good morning, Miva. Good December morning, Miva. This is December 2nd, of course, on a Monday, first day of the week, and certainly the Monday after our longer weekend, which we had just this past weekend. Hopefully, everybody was out there celebrating and having some Thanksgiving meals and celebrations and things like that. So, and well, some of you started shopping, I suppose, for the holidays and that too. Well, so we want to get going with our week, and I thought a nice quote would be from Margaret Thatcher this morning. She's a former Prime Minister of England, and her words are, "Don't look at what they say, look at what they're doing." So words sometimes are less effective than actual actions. So think about that as you go about your day. Make sure you get your actions going well. All right. Today in history, December 2nd, 1823, James Monroe, he's the president then, he proclaimed the principles known as the Monroe Doctrine. Some of you might have learned this in your history classes. He said that the American continents, by the free and independent conditions which they have assumed and maintained, are henceforth not to be considered as subjects for future colonizations by European powers. At the time, Europe was going all over the world trying to claim all this land, and so he kind of drew a line in the sand, well, like basically the ocean, but and said, you know what, no longer. No, we're going to see that, and it's kind of worked too. So it was a nice way to get the Americas on their own. In 1993, NASA launches the Space Shuttle Endeavour on a mission to repair the Hubble Space Telescope. You can see there's an arm coming out of the space shuttle. It's kind of a sideways shot there of the shuttle, and that was used to help fix the Hubble telescope, which had a mirror flaw in it, and so they had to redo some things to get that working again. All right, our announcements for today. National Fritters Day, December 2nd. So National Fritters Day allows for no frittering away of time. Make haste and get them while they're hot. Fritters come in a variety of forms, from morsels dipped in flavorful batters to bits of dough stuffed or filled with delicious surprises. All the varieties are deep fried and served hot with dips, drips, or dustings or seasonings, sweets or sauces. Maybe not the best piece of food for you, but certainly tasty. All right, let's keep going. We'll go our Miva Photography Challenge, which is happening right now. So the submissions opened last week and they're closing on the 4th. So it's only 2 more days, but anyone who loves photography can participate, and you just go by quality, theme, and feeling. That's what the judges will do. That here are your judges. We actually heard from Ms. Uth last week, and so you send them to this website, email address, Miva Photography Challenge 19 at gmail.com. Kind of an easy one to remember, but just keep that in mind. And again, you only have 2 days, so good luck, everyone. All right, don't forget the Portland Stage production of It's a Wonderful Life, a live radio play is happening, and that is December 17th. So we are in December now, so another couple of weeks, and that'll be happening at 10 a.m. So Miss Hamilton would like you to email her at chamilton@mainvirtual.org to let her know you're going. And the tickets are starting to go, so make sure that you get those. All right, another field trip we're doing, International Cryptozoology Museum. Say that 5 times fast. Well, it is Friday, the January 3rd, so another month from now, and that's at 11 a.m. It is in Portland, and so again, we need you to RSVP, let us know. Ms. Lance would like to know, so that's wlance@mainvirtual.org, and there are limited spots, so by January 2nd, hopefully you'll do it sometime this week. All right. Do you want to know more about how women influence science? And running this so that we can make sure that you know, Mrs. O'Grady's class, Women in Science, will be offered in the spring semester, and you can earn zero.5 elective science or English credits. And she even does a little history in there too. Okay. So keep that in mind. I know Mr. Corbett will like that statement. Let's keep going. All right. So we rolled this out last week. It's a new website that Mr. Susi has put together for us, and it does help you to break down the grad plan tool found in your student account. And tools for students that are interested in applying for college after they graduate. It includes links to scholarship information. Don't forget, scholarships are important. All right. There are college search engines there, transcript requests, and more. So the instructions on how to obtain a transcript are in there, information on SAT and ACT prep and testing. Okay, a lot of things. So these are the 2 sites that you can get to find out more about that. So thank you, Mr. Susi. Good job. All right, tomorrow and Wednesday's schedule. Well, today is a normal schedule. We will go to our advisories sessions that we normally have on Monday today, and then regular classes. But tomorrow you'll have a morning assembly and then IXL practice in grade level breakout rooms. and that's 8:15 to 8:50 again. That's as usual. And then at 9 o'clock for grades 7 through 11, your grade level classes will be in a Class Connect to take your winter NWA assessments. Seniors, you'll be joining your senior advisors and doing more work with grad plans and virtual job shadows and all those fun things. Okay, so that'll be for the next 2 days, and then Thursday and Friday will be usual days. Okay, we'll go back to our normal schedule. All right, why are you smiling like that? It's officially December, so I'd like to say you're going to be going into your advisory time, so enjoy that time with your advisors. And of course, as always, at MIVA here, I always like to say, make it a great day, okay? Don't just have a great day, but make it one. It is up to you. All right, take care, and see you all in the morning tomorrow.